Welcome back. Here's what's making headlines today. The ongoing Iran-Israel conflict offers critical lessons for Pakistan, highlighting the importance of national unity and advanced missile defense. In times of rising regional tensions, being prepared and united is Pakistan's strongest deterrence. The Pakistan Air Force is closely studying Javelin-Class anti-tank missile systems and is exploring co-production options in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa industrial zone, marking a potential leap in local missile manufacturing capability. The Pakistan Navy is evaluating a new generation of modular anti-aircraft gun systems, drawing inspiration from the battle-proven Zia 23-2 platform. These systems could offer scalable air defense on naval and land platforms. Heavy Industries Taxila is developing a wheeled infantry fighting vehicle tailored for desert warfare. With improved armor and speed, this desert-ready IFV is expected to enhance Pakistan's rapid deployment forces by 2027. You're watching Pakistangeo Defence Update, your front row seat to global defense power shifts. Stay tuned for full headlines. Don't forget to subscribe. Pakistan's Atomic Energy Commission is reportedly exploring compact battlefield reactor designs, taking cues from NATO's mobile nuclear power systems. These reactors aim to provide off-grid energy for forward operating bases, enabling sustained radar, communication, and weapon system support in remote or high-conflict zones. If realized, this would mark a major advancement in Pakistan's energy resilience during wartime. The initiative also reflects a strategic shift toward energy independence for tactical operations, putting Pakistan among a small group of nations experimenting with nuclear-powered battlefield tech. Heavy Industries Taxila is developing a next-gen wheeled infantry fighting vehicle purpose-built for desert environments and harsh terrain. Designed to counter regional threats, the IFV will feature enhanced mobility, advanced armor protection, and compatibility with drone networks and electronic warfare systems. It's expected to carry both anti-tank missiles and high-caliber cannons. Slated for rollout by 2027, this platform could redefine how Pakistan deploys mechanized infantry across border zones, particularly in arid sectors of Baluchistan and southern Punjab. NESCOM is moving forward with a new radar initiative that uses gallium nitride, GaN, semiconductors to improve detection, jamming resistance, and multi-target tracking. Inspired by the capabilities of systems like Russia's S-300 and Osa-AKM, Pakistan's version will offer superior performance against stealth aircraft and drones. The system will reportedly include modular units for mobile deployment, boosting air defense on both strategic and tactical levels. If completed, it could serve as the backbone of a domestically produced missile shield for Pakistani cities and bases. The Pakistan Air Force is examining Javelin-Class anti-tank guided missile systems for potential integration and co-production within the KP industrial zone. These fire-and-forget, infrared-guided weapons offer a lethal edge against armored threats. A local version would reduce dependence on foreign suppliers and add indigenous capabilities to Pakistan's battlefield toolkit. This move supports growing public-private collaboration in defense manufacturing, aligning with the country's broader goal of self-reliance in precision weapon systems. HIT is studying a modernized infantry fighting vehicle modeled after Bulgaria's BMP-23, but with advanced Turkish fire control systems. This hybrid concept aims to blend proven Eastern Bloc chassis with NATO-grade targeting accuracy and automation. Capable of firing both anti-tank missiles and high-velocity shells, the BMP-23 variant under review could serve as a high-speed, mid-range support platform. Integration with drone scouts and digital command networks is also being tested to increase situational awareness and response time. Pakistan is planning to modernize its battlefield artillery by developing a mobile gun system inspired by the Soviet-era 2S1 Gvozdika 122mm howitzer, but with a major upgrade. The new version will feature full digital fire control, satellite-based targeting, and faster shoot-and-scoot capability. Designed for use in tough border zones, this platform will allow for rapid deployment, higher accuracy, and better survivability against counter-battery fire. With mobility to match mechanized formations and real-time integration with UAVs for precision strike data, This system could become a game changer in Pakistan's mobile warfare doctrine. Defense planners are studying Bulgaria's R-80 artillery reconnaissance platform to inspire a homegrown electronic recon system. The concept involves lightweight mobile vehicles equipped with multispectral sensors, laser rangefinders, encrypted comms, and artillery spotting systems. These vehicles would operate close to front lines, detecting enemy movement, guiding long-range fire, and relaying intel in real time to command centers. The aim is to give field commanders a technological edge through faster reaction time and better targeting accuracy. If localized successfully, these recon units would fill a crucial gap in Pakistan's ISR and fire coordination capabilities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights. Like this video to show your support. And don't forget to answer today's question.